Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a new video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Scorbunny Galar collection with a Pokemon trading card game tin. This is like a build up to release of Sword and Shield. Yeah, there will be a part 2 of this, which I'll be unboxing Grookey with another tin. That'll come shortly after this video. I say shortly, I mean like in a few days. So yeah, what I'm going to do is open the tin first, because that's the small thing. So here we go. So here's your tin. If it focuses, there you go, there's your tin. Nice artwork with Eevee, and I want to say it's not Clefairy, is it? Or is it? I can't remember. Let's open the tin. Let's see what we get. So you get a coin, which, if it focused, you should see there. There you go. Get a coin. This is pretty nice. You get an artwork card, which is pretty nice, of the artwork. That's pretty cool. Right there. And you get, is it 4 packs or 3 packs? I think it's 2 packs, sorry. Yeah, you get 2 packs, which, if I close the tin, put that down there, which is Sun and Moon Ancient Origins and Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. So we'll open the Ancient Origins first. So there's the pack. Open. Put that to one side. There's your code card. Bit focused. Come on, focus. Focus it, man. There you go. There's your code card. Is it 4? I think so. 2, 3, 4. I declare from war. Maybe not. Or maybe it's 5. Oh, I don't know in this pack. Anyway, so we have Lightning Energy. We have Porygon 2. We have Curlier. Unknown or Unown. We have Beldum, Goomy, Inkay. Sorry, that's Baltoy, and a reverse holo energy, dark energy, and Claydol. That's pretty cool. Put those to one side. Now we're going to open the Sun and Moon Crimson. Is it Crimson? Yeah, Crimson Invasion. There you go. As you can see there. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Put that to one side. There's your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, so we have Water Energy. We have Miltank. We have Sea of Nothingness. That's a great sea, that. We have Gastrodon. We have Numel. We have Minccino, I think. Minccino. We have Execute. We have Jigglypuff. We have Haldor. Hondor. We have Reverse Hollow Shellos. There you go. And we have Komodo. That's pretty nice. So here we have the Scorbunny Galar set. So we have the big Samacenta V promo card. And then we have Unbroken Bonds pack, an X and Y Evolutions pack, 2 Cosmic Eclipse packs, and we have 3 promo cards, which is obviously Grookey, Scorbunny and Sobble. And we also have a pin of Scorbunny, which, if that'll focus, hopefully. No? Do I have to do this to get it to focus? Probably. There you go. A Scorbunny pin, which is pretty cool. So, I reckon we'll open the Unbroken Bonds first. I don't know how these packs work, so give me a break. So, is it still 4 from the... Hmm? I hope so. Yeah, right. We have Messel. We have Koga's Trap. Dust Island. Paikamuku. We have Krabby. Hey, Railu. Let's go. Esper. Porygon. Darumaka, I think. A Reverse Hollow Seeking. And a Poliwrath. Nice. And then we have X and Y Evolutions, which I've never opened before, so I don't know how these cards, like, is it 4 from that, 3 from that? Do they have energy? I don't know. Find that together, I guess. There you go. I'm still gonna try and 4 from the back. Ooh. See, oh, we have something good. But I don't see it, I don't know. Right, anyway. So we have Starmie. We have Nidorino. We have a Super Potion. Brock's Grit. Oh, there is energy. Fire Energy. Voltorb. Charmander. Douglet. Right there. Sorry. Douglet. Ghastly. And Oi! Machamp Break card. Oh, that card design is sick. I love that card design. Don't worry, I will sleeve these up later on. It's just I'll put them to piles now because it's easier for me to sort out. Oi. So I've got the first Cosmic Eclipse. Obviously we leave the babies till last because they're the lucky ones. Open these. There's your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. I reckon Fairy. Oi! That's sick. So we have Fairy. We have Tropius. Oh, sorry. We have Tropius. We have Togedemaru. Absol. Apom. Woobat. Ducklet. Swirlix, Alolan Grimer, Reverse Holo Weezing, and oh, let's go! Let's go! Fuckarina GX rare card. That's sick. Let's go. Oi. 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 These Galar sets are sick, bro. Oi, that's so cool. Sorry, let me just put the energy. So normally I would like lay out all the best cards I've got, but because I haven't got much time, I'm just gonna put the best cards on top of the pile. Don't worry, I will sleeve them up later on, so don't worry about that. Right, that's sick. Can we beat it in this pack though? Let's go. That is sick. These Galar sets are sick. So we have code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare from Raw. I reckon. You know what? I'm gonna go Fairy twice. Ah, it's Lightning. Of course. So we have Lightning. We have Dragonian Seed, Dusclops, Professor Oak's setup. And yes, as many people would probably tell, my setup is a little bit different today, talking about setups. That's why, yeah. Swirlix, Alolan Grimer, Slugma, Chinchou, Cosmog, Reverse Holo Chaotic Swirl, and Sesame Toad. Nice. Well, there we have it. I reckon this is a good pull out of the Scorbunny Galar pack. Yeah. I know my setup, normally I lay the best cards out properly in that, but like I haven't had much time to get ready today. It's a quick video. Like I said, part 2 will come a few days early, which I'll record straight after this one. I mean 3 days later, which I'll record straight after this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave any feedback in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and peace.